The French mobile brand Alcatel has announced a new budget handset called the Alcatel One. It is part of Google's Android Go initiative that offers stock Android to users with entry-level smartphones. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. Alcatel One with Android Oreo, that is the Go edition, features a set of popular Google apps that run quickly and smoothly, including Google Go, Google Maps Go, Gmail Go, and more Go apps, and that also without asking for too much resources. As part of the platform, users will enjoy access to YouTube Go, which lets users download videos and view them offline when data isn't available. The Google Play Store will also suggest third-party apps tailor-made for the Go edition devices, including Facebook Lite, Skype Lite, and more Lite apps. The handset has been priced internationally at €79 or $89, that is roughly 6,100 Indian rupees, and is said to be made available in select markets starting this July. Coming to the device, it is featuring an 18:9 aspect ratio display and comes with a 5-inch QHD Plus screen, that is not the QHD Plus that you might be expecting, but a smaller QHD with a small Q with an effective resolution of 480x960 pixels. It is powered by a 1.28 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53 MediaTek MT6739 processor paired with 1 GB of RAM. It comes with 8 GB of internal storage and offers external support up to 32 GB. For camera duties, the Alcatel One has a 5-megapixel camera that can be interpolated to an 8-megapixel one and a 2-megapixel front sensor that can be interpolated to a 5-megapixel one. The camera comes with an LED flash and offers features such as social square, instant collage, one-handed mode, and photo booth. There are more options for the buyers to ponder. As mentioned before, as part of the Google Go initiative, the device runs on the latest Android 8.0 Oreo right out of the box and is backed by a 2000 mAh battery that is claimed to deliver up to 8 hours of battery while connected on the 4G network. Speaking of connectivity, other options include a non-AC single-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, micro USB port, and GPS support along with GLONASS. So that will be it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.